Hey beautiful people.
Hello guys.
Welcome to the island family.
Hello guys. Hello
It's your
guys.
girl Maria.
Island boys there.
Going
Say
swimming.
hi. Say hi,
Hi.
everyone.
I'm going swimming.
So guys, it is so hot today. So hot. Babe, you wanna...
Super hot. The air itself that's hitting you, the breeze, it's super hot. Warm. Yeah.
really hot. And
man.
so yeah, we just decided to come to the beach, have dinner and have a swim. So
Yeah.
and we brought you guys along. So let's do this today.
Yeah.
In
And
this hot day.
we're in Evanshead.
Oh yeah, Evan said, excuse the
Yeah. And this is the view. This is the view, guys. We have been here before a long time.
it's been a while.
Yeah.
When you first migrated here, babe.
Yeah. I've been here, and I remember the time Island don't do that. The time when we came here, there were so many people.
So guys, today I managed to buy a picnic basket for me and Babes, our family, so that when we go away we can actually, you know, have something to eat and not have to buy every time we go out. We
Yeah.
bring our own stuff now. So look at this. Comes with a full set, cutlery, wine glasses. I cooked some food today, which you're going to see in a minute. I'll just bring some snacks for Ireland, and I got a chicken. So, and a nice bottle of Rose, Cali Rose from Snoop Dogg. I don't know, but I've never really tried this, so we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, our little family picnic at the beach, guys.
Sure. Enjoy the moment of the evening, yeah. The sun is just hiding behind those little patch of cloud here, you know. Yeah, we have even visitors, we have birds here and thing, you know. Yeah, man.
I'll just put juice in. Babes.
One them dog yeah, come around. I'm not trusting
Ow.
Oi, get back please. Oi. I don't know you, you know. But I can't wiggle the tail, so you know. Honestly, guys. Go, move. Go back. Wanna move. This one I'll try to be friendly, but I don't trust them, you know. How where them one are there?
It's dog fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one me.
They might be tame, but you never know. Dogs aren't pretty. Island, oi. How about I go up there?
I have dogs.
No, we're not there on that.
I have dogs.
You want to have dogs, we'll get our own, alright?
I have dogs.
Hey, Highland, listen to me. We'll get you a dog, alright? But those are not ours, okay?
I have dogs, please.
Come chill, come on.
Mom, I don't have dogs.
Yeah, okay. So guys,
Nice, lovely.
I'm hungry, Mom.
So what's mine is,
it's got a bit of wine in it, but not too much. Okay, Island, we're going to do it now. Come on, come and cheers with everybody.
Mommy.
Come on, let's cheers to the good summer vibes.
Bubbles.
Cheers to the good summer vibes, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes,
Mom.
man.
Me, Mom.
Even though it's spring.
More life.
Ooh, this is nice.
I know it's spring and we're already getting summer. Cheers.
Yeah, man, summer vibe already.
Oh, salt water in my eye.
Yes, Bobby.
Mom.
Okay, cheers. Cheers.
Look, man, for
Ready?
your shoes
Cheers.
bigger than Philly.
You want juice, Bobby? Cheers, Bobby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers, Papa.
Cheers.
Okay.
Yes.
Cheers, guys. Big up.
Alright, put some in your bottle.
All right, now we're gonna get some food.
I got one.
This food is still so hot.
Yeah, I'm making more.
Like, that looks better. So that's what I made, guys, at home. It's we call this a pastel de papa. in Spanish for all those that know. It's just a minced pastel or a cottage pie, I'd say.
Patrol, and a double.
One.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
I think beach picnics are the best, guys. Everything tastes better. Ready, 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 ready. Done, baby. Oh, shoo the flies away. Okay, we can sit there on the towel. You want some of this? Look. Do you reckon it's cold? I don't think it is. Look at the island, guys. Oh no. Looks a little bit dirty. Usually this water is really clear, guys. Oh! Shit, really?
The water is still not the temperature.
It's bad, eh?
Well, the Aussies are swimming, but yeah, it's just too much for me.
It is a bit full on, eh? Ireland's loving it, yeah. It's a bit cold for me too. Take me back to Jamaica, babe. Take us back to Jamaica. I really love the water there.
It could be the hottest day and the water that's cold.
It's
just
cold, man. It's so cold right now. What the heck?
I mean, we're in spring still. It's not summer yet, but
it's just your babe's face.
Imagine my whole body going. My feet are feeling what I'm feeling now.
Let's just do it. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it for our subscribers. Jaja. Look at Ireland. He doesn't care. The water looks dirty. All right, let's go, babe. Ireland, no. Don't flick up water. Ireland, don't flick it up. Come on, babe.
My hand's
Only
so
going for a
clean.
dip and that's
That's it. One dip and we're out. Oh my God, this is bad.
There you go, guys. Island have on his jacket. No more complaining.
That's right.
YouTube is a sensitive place.
I can't tell you, Mom.
You ready? Oh no.
It's cold.
Has it been raining here or something?
It's so comfortable. It's so comfortable.
Like the water looks so ill.
Like a sack. Like a sack.
Look at babe, guys. I'm feeling it too. Don't get me wrong. Like, honestly, this is just. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going in. You going first or me going first? Which one is it gonna be? Me or you? Hurry. 1, 2. Island, no. Island, no. Do it to Dad.
Do it to
No, not to my. No, babe, really? Yeah, but I didn't even go there. Oh, are you serious right now? No. Island, no, get Dad. Get Dad. You gotta protect Mummy. No. Look at him go out. It's nice after you get out. All right, ready? Is it my turn still? Yeah.
Mom, go down.
Go down, go down, go down. Ready, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down. Go, 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 go. Go down.
This is our first.
Yeah, I drank water. Is that bad? I drank a little bit of water.
This is the first time we've been swimming in a long time.
Go man, do it again. Do it again.
You like that, Dave?
Hi, fast guys.
Oh,
Hey, get off me.
You got water in your thing, Bobby. The Bobo.
Look.
After this, we'll be hungry.
making our way up, guys. Oh no, the glue just failed. The glue, the handle of it just failed me. Yeah. Huh? Yes. Was well worth it. Day well spent. Evening well spent, I should say. Alright, so I'll have a quick wash off, yes sir? Come. What happened to you?
My ear break.
Oh, your ear break.
My
Yeah.
ear break.
Come now, man. You can see if the water at work. This look whole. Oh, water there, man.
You
Come.
was my hand. You was my hand.
Oh, what was that? Scary.
Yeah. Get it?
Go on, get in.
It's good.
Okay. Okay, go where mom. Go where mom is.
Oh, it's there.
It's funny. Come, Island. Hey? We got water, Bobby.
Yeah.
Aye.
Ah!
Skidder wash off.
You like? Bee!
Guys.
Island.
Hi.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
Hi. I want to say hi.
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 Look, it's listening to us.
It's looking.
Hi.
Hi.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, I'm too beautiful. Look at me.
Camera not on.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's one way. Hey. Hey, why?
Ah, awesome. Excuse my hair. It is a mess right now. So guys, if you've gotten this far into the vlog, thank you so much. Once again, it's Monday, fun day for us, because you know I worked in the morning and so we got the afternoon off and waited for Babe to come home because it was so terribly hot where we live. So we're still at the beach. We're just about to head out now. So if you're new to the channel, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Tell us where you're all from if you're new to our channel. And yeah, you know, we're trying to get to our 30,000 subscribers. So guys, all our followers, help us out, help us make it our dreams come true. As you all know, we want to go back to Jamaica. So you know, that's our dream and that's what we want to do. So in saying that, big up yourselves.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching the Island Family. This is your girl Maria.
Yeah, Island boy.
Africa.
Yesterday.
Island boy. And your little island boy, which is sitting in the car already. You can't really see him.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Focus.
I played game blue.
Yeah. Okay, say bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Okay, very good. Yeah guys, so once again, as we were saying, big up yourselves. Peace out.
Mommy.
Till the next time.
Mom. Mommy.
Stay cool,
Mommy.
stay warm, stay fresh.
Mom.